Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix no temperature sticker problem on Instagram stories. So let's start. So first of all you have to go to your phone settings and click on that and just scroll down and click on locations and then click on Instagram, and here you just simply click on permissions and then click on locations. In here you just simply click on allow only while using the app, and then go to your Instagram account and then go to your home page and swipe left and click picture or upload picture, whatever you want. Then swipe up, and now the temperature sticker is available. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.